right, well, we have a very exciting day here at the mill. Where I left you off was starting the remaining log to go with the rest of this pavilion. And I made one pass on that log, and these new wheels that I had gotten, the carriage wheels, broke. So since then I had a little bit of downtime. I had to figure something out. And here's that log. So this is all finished up now. But this morning, Gene Delcourt, who is he's the organizer for the Harry Whitehorse International Carving Exposition. He came by with an artist this morning. The artist's name is Schütt. He's from Germany, and he has some specific requirements for some milling to go with his carving project. So we have this beautiful, nice big red oak log here, and we're going to go about milling it for him. But in order to get ready to mill it, we need to do some trimming on it. So I'm going to put you on a tripod, or put us on a tripod, and get to going on it. Pretty exciting. It's this weekend. The wood carving festival is this weekend, so it's going to be really kind of cool. Hopefully we'll be able to get some time to be with the artists and go enjoy the festival, and it'd be nice to know that we contributed and just be part of the community. Pretty cool. All right. So this is a bit of a treat even for me. Usually when I'm milling, I'm milling on a log that's been up in the yard for a long time, and I usually don't get to see how beautiful all the rings are just stacked like this. This is an incredibly dense tree. I mean, I knew it because of the weight of it, but look at this. Look at the density of these rings. I mean, it is super packed. You can see where this kind of nodule comes through here. So this is going to be a beautiful log. I'm really excited. This log is going to get featured at Olbrich Gardens for the next year. And I mean, you'll hear me gush about it over and over in this video and others. I just couldn't be more pleased with having the honor to help get ready for this festival. I really think it's a very special event that Gene is putting together. So cool. So here's the game plan. He needs 18 centimeter out of the middle of this thing, which is about 7 inches. So we're going to come up with a big 7-inch chunk, and then he needs let's say 9 feet, 3 meters of 10 by 10, 10 by 10, 10 by 10, 10 by 10, more or less. So we're going to get 4 timbers out of here, 1 really heavy slab. So I probably have the better part of the rest of the afternoon cut out for me here. So Lunch. Yes. Close the doors, keep the cool air in. Go and put that chunk. Can you see that chunk out there? I'll go and put this chunk right here. Go put that back on the way up to the log pile. And we'll be getting to business here. Put you back in your spot. Thanks for watching. Let me try this again. I just uncovered this huge ant nest in the bark of this old bur oak. I feel so bad for disrupting them. All right, I better get to lunch and get back to work. Well, I was cruising right along until that thing came and slowed my afternoon down considerably. I already dug it out. Big shiny piece of steel. And I think I got it out. I mean, I have to keep going on this thing anyways, which you always hope that that's the sign to call it a day, but no. Much more to go yet on this log. So you might be wondering, why is it all black over here and all clean over here? What happens when the blade hits the steel? The teeth on the blade alternate from up, down, middle, up, down, middle. The middle, every third tooth, is basically just there to pull sawdust out. It's really the blades that are angled up and down. That's called the set. When your blade hits metal, it slightly decreases the set on the blade and starts dragging part of the blade body, depositing metal along with it. So that's why you get that nasty looking cut. So I'm gonna have to put on a new blade, take what I call a skim cut. So just try to get underneath all that nastiness and keep on keeping on. It's never the same once you hit steel. It's always like, yeah, this is great, I love milling, this is so fun. And then you hear, meh. It's a very distinctive sound. One of these days I'll get it on video. Meh. You're like, meh. Oh, it's just terrible. Anyways, you never feel the same afterwards. It kind of puts everything into a different mood. So I'm gonna keep pushing on here, try to finish up. approximately 18 by 7, more or less. I have a 7 part done now, I need to get the 18 part. Sort of the wrong spot, but right on that box. So I'm going to put some caps underneath the log. Quite a bit of this back and forth type stuff. Everyone's like, why don't you have a log burner? Why don't you have a log burner? It's like, well, burning something like that with a log burner, not very viable. All this stuff like that. A log burner will do the work on it. So that's that. I'm going to level it out to make sure it's square. back to time lapse. All right, well, that's a wrap. Definitely, in a lot of ways, about what I expected. You know, it's pretty hard to start off with a 26-inch log and get to 4x4s and a really unusually shaped slab. It's a lot of wood. You got to peel out of the outside. Some of the transitions could be quicker. This isn't exactly the most nimble mill. That said, it's just time. It just takes a lot of time to get through that much wood, especially when you're talking about burr oak. I mean, it's just solid. I'm filthy. I'm worked. That was a very good day's work I put in there. And yeah, just these two 4x4s left to pull off, and then a couple chainsaw cuts. I'm out of here. Until the next one.